Hello everyone, I welcome you again to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where you are going to learn something unique and unique hairstyles. Let's see what are we going to learn today and what lovely hairstyles are we going to create. So here we have taken the hair out like this, so as to give it a messy look, and then what we have to do, you have to twist and twirl it in this manner, round it further and paste the beads and apply the beads like this. Now again you have to twist your hair and proceed the same procedure from top to bottom, and then in the end with the extra hair left behind you have to convert it into the form of a braid like this and then take it to the top and here's to the end. Now again what you have to do, you have to just take the partitions like this, roll it further, make it look like this. Now rolling it in this manner so as to get an amazing beautiful result, you have to make a pleat like this and then let's see, convert it in the form of a bun like this. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. You just have to twist and twirl your hair like this, and in the end here's what you have to do. You have to take your hair out and then in the form of a bun you have to secure it further. Amazing, right? And then with the help of decorative clutches you can decorate it further. Now let's see what are we going to do. Again you have to twist your hair and twirl it in this manner, and with the help of the clutches what you have to do, you have to do it in this way, right? Now let's see what you have to do. You just have to take the hairs out and then twist and twirl it in this manner. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see, you have to just secure it further with the help of your clutches. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. You just have to make a beautiful bun like this, and securing with the help of your clutches you have to do it in the manner as we are doing. Again what you have to do, you have to take the hair out and let's see what are we gonna do next. Give it a beautiful messy look like this. You are going to get it. Isn't it looking so pretty amazing? Now give it a side look like this. Now what you have to do, you have to twist your hair and make a braid like this of your hair, and let's see, you just have to rotate it further and decorative clutches will add on to your beauty. Now let's see what are we going to do. You just have to take the hairs out and do it in the manner as we are doing. Twist and twirl it and get the shape like this, your pattern in this manner, and let's see what we are going to do. Here's to it. Now let's see what are we gonna do now. You just have to twist and twirl your hair, rotate it further, and you have to repeat the same procedure to get onto this pattern. Yes, you are going to look super amazing, isn't it? Now what you have to do, you just have to take your hair and then with the help of clutches secure it, with the help of rubber band as well. You just have to do it in this manner and just have to decorate it with the help of decorative clutches. Just do it further. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Just do the partitions like this, and in the end let's see what are we gonna get. You just have to rotate it further and you'll be getting an amazing beautiful result, isn't it? And here's to the result. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. You again have to twist and twirl your hair, get the hair out in this manner, and with the help of this thin partitions what you have to do, you have to just make these looking beautiful. Isn't it amazing? Further just rotate your hair and again you have to repeat the same procedure like this, one over the other, and in the side you'll be getting an amazing result. Now make and convert it into the form of a pleat like this and then rotate it further, and with the help of decorative clutches you have to decorate your hair and adorn your beauty. Again you have to just do the partitions like this and twisting and twirling your hair in this manner, you'll be getting an amazing result, isn't it? I hope guys you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.